Designing for comfort with the magic of 3D printing is revolutionary, until commercial markets step in. Cost versus customization. Achieving personalized comfort with 3D printing often means high production expenses, making affordability a distant dream. Material durability. Balancing soft, comfortable materials with long-lasting wear is easier said than done, leaving many designs stuck in prototype limbo. Scaling precision. Replicating the perfect fit across large-scale production introduces inconsistencies that disrupt the entire purpose of customization. Comfort shouldn't be this complicated. See how we're solving these challenges at 3dshoes.com.